Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I have an update about TextNow. Now, I dropped this video a while ago showing you guys how you can get a USA number from TextNow, and I went on to demonstrate that TextNow numbers are VoIPs. I proved it by trying to register a WhatsApp account and I was not able to, but when I used it for a Telegram account it worked and I got an OTP. Well, I'm here to tell you that now you can actually use your US number from TextNow to create a WhatsApp account, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications so you do not miss updates like this anytime we drop them. Let's get into the tutorial. So if you need a TextNow number, I'll leave the link in the description for that particular tutorial. It still works. You can follow that tutorial and get yourself a TextNow number. Now, I already have mine, so I'm just going to jump straight into it. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need a very good VPN. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using Proton VPN. I'm not going to use their free plan, I'm going to use their paid plan. So if you do not have a paid Proton VPN account, I'll leave a video in the description. Make sure to watch that video and you'll be able to get Proton VPN for just $1. When you are on the Proton VPN app, connect to any server in the United States. After that, go and open your TextNow app. On the TextNow app, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now over here you can see my number is right at the top over there, and there are some other options on the screen. Now we are going to lock our number. As you can see, they are charging $1.99 to lock your number for a week. So that's exactly what we are going to do. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now the reason why the price is showing in Indian rupees is because my iCloud was recently switched to India. So yours might be different. So if you already have an active or live payment method linked to your Apple ID, you can go ahead and make the payment and lock in your number. Now I don't have any active payment method or live payment method on my Apple ID or my Apple account. So I'm going to buy a gift code and use that to pay for this subscription. So I'm going to head over to the Indian portal of the Amazon website and I'm going to buy a gift code. So after successfully purchasing my gift code and receiving it in my mail, I'm going to copy that gift code and I'm going to redeem it. In order to redeem this gift code, head over to your App Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. On the accounts page, tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code. Over here, choose this option. Now paste the gift code in the space provided and tap on the Redeem button. As you can see, my Apple account balance has been credited with that amount. Now head over to the Text Now app. Tap on the subscribe button. And just like that, you have successfully logged in this number for a week. Now keep in mind that now that we have logged in this number, you can use it to receive verifications and OTP codes from various platforms, and you will not have any problems. Alright, so now let's go ahead and use this number to create a WhatsApp account. And as you can see, I've been able to receive the 6-digit code from WhatsApp, and I can proceed to register my account. So that is how you can use your Text Now number to create your WhatsApp account. If you found this video useful, please leave me a like, and also don't forget to share this video with others, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.